Opening statements delivered today in the federal corruption trial of former Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan.
Court just wrapping up for the evening. Lawyers for co-defendant Michael McClain getting their chance tomorrow morning. WGN's Julian Cruz live at the Dirksen Federal Building with the latest. Hi, Julian.
Hey, Mike and Ray, prosecutors going first, 8 women and 4 men, plus the alternate jurors hearing arguments from government lawyers regarding this landmark political corruption case involving the now former Speaker of the House, Michael Madigan. Now, his defense team, among other things, arguing that their client never broke the law. You are going to hear some out-and-out lies. Michael Madigan defense lawyer Thomas Breen working to cast doubt on the government's case in opening statements. At no time did he, Michael Madigan, participate in his own bribery scheme. It didn't happen. This is not who he is. This is a case of corruption at the highest level, says Assistant U.S. Attorney Sarah Stryker, painting a disturbing picture for jurors. An alleged $3 million racketeering conspiracy, the government argues, said to involve bribery, wire fraud, and attempted extortion, executed with caution and precision for close to a decade, prosecutors say, by the now former Illinois Speaker Michael Madigan.
So no one has ever run Springfield, controlled Springfield, and every aspect of our state like Mike Madigan has.
The 23-count criminal indictment accusing the former Illinois House Speaker of running his state and political operations like a criminal enterprise. Madigan and his longtime political confidant, Michael McClain, potentially looking at heavy prison sentences if found guilty. Michael Madigan did not work alone, Stryker argues. He had a loyal and trusted right-hand man. He was critical in carrying out the racketeering operation. Jurors will soon be introduced to dozens of secret audio and video recordings during testimony, recordings that have not yet been seen or heard by the public. Star witness, former Chicago Alderman Danny Solis, cooperating with investigators by wearing a wire starting back in 2016, allegedly capturing incriminating conversations with Madigan and others. Prosecutors will argue that Madigan, the longtime head of the Illinois Democratic Party, sought to illegally generate business for his private law firm by causing Solis to take official Chicago City Council action to benefit the developer. Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker says it comes with a heavy cost.
When there's any discussion of corruption by some elected officials, it hurts people on both sides of the aisle because, as you know, there's corruption that's occurred in both parties, and not just in Illinois.
And prosecutors revealing tonight that they plan to play more than 200 secretly recorded audio and videotapes during the course of this trial, a trial that is expected to last at least 3 months. At the Dirksen Federal Building, Julian Cruz, WGN News.